Guys,
hi guys.
we have a new introducer. Yeah, let's go play with our monster truck. Finn, tell us which one is this.
Max D.
Max D, yeah. And Finn, which one's this one?
Son Digger.
Yeah, good, son of a digger. What's this one?
Mammoth.
Finn, which one's this one?
No, cat
that's Bounty Hunter.
Yeah, they're bounty.
So Finn, what are we gonna do with our monster trucks?
That?
What we're gonna do is we're going to be doing. But where did it go? I have some leftover cars, right? Here's my leftover cars. Right here. The left, this was the left. So, Finn, we're gonna make a a monster truck stadium. It's all, yeah.
On top.
Just do this, do this, and do this. Okay, Finn. Okay, there we go. So, Finn, which one do you want to start with?
That one?
You want to start with Monster Mode. Okay, go. Okay, that's all you want to do? Okay, no, it's my turn. I'm going to go with Bounty Hunter. He has a little skull on him. That's cool. So where do we buy these from? Target. Woo. Target. Finn, I love Target. They have the most coolest monster trucks.
Yeah.
Okay, my turn.
Okay,
Look, wait, Finn, look. I'm not done. Ooh, ah. Oh, you savage. My turn. Okay, my turn. I get son of a digger. Cool. Ooh, boom. Oh, we're doing it. Oh. So, Finn, let's get some more Hot Wheel cars. Come on. Oh, I just fell.
Let you find it.
I fell. Okay, we got more. We got more. Come on, let's get some more. Ooh, I found this one. Okay. Right over there. Boom, got that one.
So nice.
Okay. Finn, I have a perfect idea. So, you see this, right? Can you open the bag for me?
Okay.
Open the bag. So, open the bag. I'm going to place this car in, right? We're going to place it in right here. And the monster trucks will crush that car. So, Finn, look. So, all these cars are cool, right? Finn, all these monster trucks are cool, right? And you can do, Finn, you can do anything with your thinking, right?
Okay.
Just families, like about family and stuff. And it's the best thing to do, right? Come back. Finn, which one you want to do? Finn, come on. Come on, Finn. Come on.
Oh, I found one.
Come on, Finn.
I found one. Right there.
You gonna put that one right there? Okay, Finn. Which one you want to do?
Bounty Hunter.
Okay, do Bounty Hunter.
Come
on, go. Oh, he's doing it. Oh, he's doing it. He crushed the car. Okay, Finn, my turn. I'm going to go with Max D.
No. Not Max D.
I'm going to drive over this.
And Mama.
Okay, you get Monster Mutt. I'm always the last one that gets Son of a Digger. Okay, I get Son of a Digger. Done. Oh, done. So Finn, say bye.
Bye.
So Finn, say. So you can do anything with your thinking and your imagination. You can play with your cars, and right? And you can do anything on Just Family. You can watch our shows, right? So say peace.